How to install Skyglass on Firestick. So the first thing you should notice is, as currently there isn't an official Skyglass application available for the Amazon Fire TV stick. So however, you can access Sky's content on your Fire Stick through the SkyGo or Now TV application. So here's a step-by-step guide to how to install them. First, navigate to the home screen. Press the home button on your Fire Stick remote to ensure you are on the main screen. And second step, access the search function. At the top of the screen, you will be seeing the magnifying glass icon to open the search bar. Once you are on the search bar for the app, type simply SkyGo or Now TV into the search bar. Select the app from the search results, choose the appropriate app. Download and install. Click download or get button to begin the installation. Open the app. Once installed, you have to sign in with your Sky credentials to start streaming. And then done. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the